Welcome to this week's edition of Immunology Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. OSE Immunotherapeutics is accelerating its global expansion in immuno-oncology and chronic inflammation. The company's lead asset, lusvertikimab, has demonstrated over 50% remission in biomarker-positive ulcerative colitis patients, positioning it as a precision therapy candidate. Meanwhile, Tedopi, its therapeutic cancer vaccine, is progressing toward Phase 3 completion by 2026. OSE's international growth is supported by €90 million in non-dilutive funding, and a potential NASDAQ listing is under strategic consideration. Biomerica has released clinical data validating the effectiveness of its inFoods IBS diagnostic. The peer-reviewed study highlights the test's utility in guiding food-specific elimination diets, significantly improving outcomes, particularly for patients with mixed-type IBS. In the trial, 59.6% of test-guided participants met the FDA benchmark for pain reduction, compared to 42.2% in the placebo group. ProPhase Labs has launched a scientific advisory board to accelerate the market readiness of its B-Smart esophageal test. The technology measures protein activity to assess the progression of Barrett's esophagus and is designed to integrate with standard endoscopy workflows. Results are available in under 7 days. With a target U.S. market estimated at $7 to $14 billion, the company has added strategic talent from Mayo Clinic and Renalytix to support commercialization. Israeli scientists have uncovered a dual role of neutrophils in breast cancer progression. Research shows that these immune cells can both suppress and support late-stage tumor development. The findings could pave the way for therapies that regulate neutrophil activity. Notably, a small trial in hereditary triple-negative breast cancer reported 100% survival when patients received precisely timed drug administration. Researchers at the University of Oxford have identified TRM17 cells as the dominant source of interleukin-17 in spondyloarthritis, overturning prior assumptions that implicated gamma-delta T cells. This discovery refines the pathophysiological model for spondyloarthritis and could support the development of more targeted therapies aimed at long-term remission. NimBio has introduced a wearable, AI-powered device called the Inflammatory, designed to detect inflammation before IBD flares occur. The technology offers real-time monitoring and is supported by strategic agreements with Takeda and KU Leuven. Market entry is projected for 2026, targeting the $130 billion chronic inflammation segment. Astria Therapeutics is preparing to present updated data on 2 pipeline assets at EAACI 2025 in Glasgow. The company will share results from Phase 1b/2 and long-term extension trials for navenibart in hereditary angioedema. It will also present promising early findings for STAR-0310, an OX40 targeting antibody being developed for atopic dermatitis. A recent study out of Japan has found no statistically significant link between cesarean births and childhood allergy risk. While a slight correlation with food allergies was noted, it did not reach clinical significance. The study underscores the importance of generating region-specific epidemiological data to guide public health policy. Stay ahead in immunology research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert healthcare consulting.